around here. Today at the shop we've got two Porsche Cayennes. This, the standard version, a turbo. We're busy prepping, washing it, clay barring it. Afterwards it's going into our detailing bay. We're going to do a one-stage paint correction. After that we're going to apply full PPF over the entire car. On this side we've got a Cayenne Coupe Turbo. We already prepped it. We're busy applying full PPF over the entire car at the moment. Back in the wash bay, our man here is busy applying a degreaser over the entire car, going through all the nooks and crannies with our detailing brush before we rinse it and apply our snow foam. Everyone's favorite part, we're going to snow foam this Cayenne to lift up all the dirt. As you can see behind me, our team is busy applying the PPF on the bumper of the Cayenne. This foam is pre-cut, it's self-healing, comes with a lifetime warranty, and the clarity on it is amazing. You can literally not see it's there. After we carefully squeegee it into place, we use a hairdryer to heat lock it into place. Guys, then on a black Cayenne we also have to ceramic coat the rims and the calipers. That means taking off the rims, decontaminating them again. We're then going to apply our Geon ceramic coating on the rim and the brake calipers. That helps ease off maintenance, keeps your wheels cleaner for a lot longer, and it's also super hydrophobic. these cars are done, let me give you a quick rundown of what we did. The black one came, we did a 2-stage paint correction. We did full pre-cut PPF over the entire car. We took the wheels off, we ceramic coated the rims and the calipers, and we detailed the inside of this car. It looks better than new and it's extremely glossy. Then over on this side, we've got the gold turbo. This car came in, we did a single stage correction. We did full PPF over the entire car as well as detailing the inside. It's also done, both of them are ready. Which one would you choose? This one or the black one? Me personally, I'll take the black one. Guys, thanks so much for watching. I see our subscriber base is growing. From your feedback, it looks like you guys are enjoying our videos. Please give it a thumbs up. Please comment what else you want to see, and remember to subscribe.